Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. One of the things I love to do once it starts getting cooler, or I can actually do it in the summer too, but I usually like to do these in the winter, is I take old garments that maybe I'm sick of, and sometimes I don't bother with the old garments, but this time I did. I took an old pair of pants and they had pockets in it because I wanted the pockets, and I make skirts. And they're so easy. You can double crochet, single crochet, use your scrappy yarn. And if you use old clothes, you just can like kind of cut them off at the, you know, at the top, so that what happens is when you wear a blouse, it goes over the top. So you won't even see this part. And the purpose of doing that is if you want pockets. Although you can crochet pockets, but sometimes it's just easier. And then you can just make a cute little skirt. And like what I'll do is I'll find like a matching jacket that I'll wear. Like maybe I might wear a brown one or a blue one. Or today I'm actually going to put the skirt on over. I usually wear them over like my pants or shorts. You can even wear them over another skirt. And like I'll wear a matching jacket, and like it could be like a dark navy, and wear like say a navy, and I'm just pointing. Yeah, I don't know if it's showing up navy here. Navy shirt. You can wear a blue top, and then say a brown scarf, because you're not going to see the top. Remember, so it can make it like a really cute outfit. You can even go out in public with it because they're cute. And then it keeps you warmer. So say you're working in an office or something, and it's like at a warehouse or something like that, and it's really cold. You could grab a little skirt like this and put it right over your pants. And if you can get hot or cold, you can take it on and off. So it's like wearing a blanket all day, so you're not freezing. Or say if you're at home and you want to knit and crochet, you can have this little skirt on as you're knitting and crocheting. And like I said, it's like wearing a blanket, and you can get up and down, and you're not like freezing because you threw your blanket off. So you can, like I said, you can stay a little warmer in the winter just by making a whole bunch of crocheted skirts and just wear them. And it's just a nice thing that I like to add to my wardrobe, so that when it gets really, really super, super cold outside, I can just throw these little skirts on over the top of my regular clothes, and I feel warm, I feel good, and I don't feel like I'm freezing all the time. So it's just a fun thing to do, and you can just use your scrappy yarn, and then, like I said, you'll have fun making outfits out of the scrappy yarn that you picked. I mean, kind of want it to kind of flow, but even if it doesn't flow, it doesn't matter. And it's a cute thing, a gift to even give to someone that you know likes to knit or crochet, and that they're sitting by themselves and they're freezing at night. They can, like I said, wear a little scrappy skirt, and they're good enough. Like I said, if you have to run to the mailbox or something like that, you're not going to look funny or something, because they come out really cute when they're done. And so, anyway, this is something I enjoy doing. I have a lot of fun. You can use all kinds of different patterns. And the reason I wear something underneath them is because they do have holes in them. And you don't want to be like freezing, and, if you use different patterns. Or you can do a really tight pattern and not have so many holes, or like a single crochet or something. But it's just a fun way to use up your old yarn, and it's practical. And like I said, you can even use up some clothing that you may not like or may not be working for you, and then you can even have the pockets, and like kind of like dual purpose. Okay, remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. Hope you enjoyed my scrappy skirts.